I've got this set of Husky Allen wrenches. It's got millimeters, SAE, and Torx. There are numerous versions of these floating around on the internet. I got the Home Depot version. They have a great warranty, lifetime warranty on all Husky tools. One of the complaints I saw, which isn't really valid, is that they're loose. Well, that's because the Allen wrench hole may be loose, which you just take one of the other units and tighten it up. If you make it real loose, then you see these things are all flopping around. Just tighten it up. They don't flop around anymore. One thing to be careful of, especially in the bigger ones, you have them open. Don't slam them shut on the wrong side. You might break this little tab off. Make sure you close them on the right side, appropriate side. You've got 5/32 to 5/64 on here, these little ones. A good set. There's 6 there, and then 3 more here, which is 1/4 to 3/16. So the largest is 1/4. Torx goes from 40, 30, 27, 25 down to T9. This little one. Yeah. And then the millimeters ranges from 5, which is from 5 down to 1.5, which is this little one right here. And on the other side you have 6 and 8. So you have a good assortment. Oh, there's a little security badge. I like Husky tools. They work really well. It's got, whenever you're using them, you got the whole thing as a grip, or you can go vertical and use them this way. It's got a really nice feel, kind of plastic shell, but and by the way, in addition to the warranty, these are the best price of most of them you're going to find on the internet from Home Depot. Thumbs up. Husky Allen wrench set. Let's try the metric wrench on my little axle cap. I've got a little add-on. That's a kickstand for this bike. Perfectly. Holds up the bike. They all fit just fine. Most everywhere. It's all metric on this bike. Tighten that up. Nice set.